Hi everyone.
Hello.
I'm Cindy.
I'm Debbie.
We are sisters in stitches and we're coming at you from Debbie's lake house, so it's very early Sunday morning.
And we don't wear makeup out here. We don't do makeup at the lake, so you're getting us with our lake faces.
Yeah, we were getting ready to go back home and we realized we didn't do our trunk club. So we're doing our trunk club before we head home. And I did get some cool things in this trunk club. Some keepers. Cecelia knows what she's doing. So without further ado, since there's many items, I'm going to show you the shoes first. And I think I did take a video of these shoes, but look at these shoes.
I think they're really, really cute.
You know why I don't like them? I don't like them because when I put them on, my fat feet like puff out of the sides, you know, so it looks like I got Fred Flintstone feet in them. So I like the shoe itself. I don't like my feet in the shoe.
So what she's saying is she doesn't like the way that shoe fits her foot.
Excuse me. Yeah, because when I start walking in them and my feet swell towards the end of the day, it's going to be hanging over like a pizza dough or something that just kind of rises and falls over the edge. So we won't be keeping those.
Those were, what were they called?
The Bella Vita.
They're not on here.
Yeah, you just got to look down these.
There's nothing that says
right there.
Bella. Oh, those retail for $90. So if you don't like exactly the way they fit, woo, you don't get those.
Okay, and I did tell her that I was looking for flats, but not these kind. They're cute. They're like the faux suede, but the toes are just way too pointy. I guess I like my summer flats to be more rounded.
Yeah, Cindy doesn't really like pointed toes on her shoes, where I prefer the pointed toe myself because I have tiny feet for my height. People are always saying, oh my God, your feet are so small. So I always look for shoes that make my feet look bigger. So I think they're cute.
And there's something like along the edging of this shoe. It's like darker or something. I'm not quite sure. But so I like the color of the shoe, which I do need some new red flats. But unfortunately, I don't want suede in the summer because when you're walking through grass and fields and, you know, frolicking in the field of flowers.
For me, those shoes retail for $50. And for me, when you can go to Walmart or Target and get a pair of red flats for 10 or 12 bucks, you wear them for the season and you toss them out. I mean, I don't know.
Which I do.
It would be hard for me to buy. Now, I did buy a pair of Steve Madden from Trunk Up. They were $90 as well, but you can't walk into any store and buy shoes of that quality. So, or real leopard hair. So anyway, I agree with Cindy. Shoes, bye-bye.
Then I got a couple pieces of jewelry, and this ring is really, really pretty. I did not take it off of the thing because I wanted to make sure.
This retails for $50.
I don't know how well you can see it, but
it's called the Pave Crisscross ring.
So I didn't cut it off. Can you guys see it? It's really, really pretty, and it's sterling silver, plated with nickel. It's really, really pretty. That might be a keeper for me.
Yeah, if she doesn't keep it, I'm
so one of
us are keeping this
One
ring.
of us is keeping this ring, yeah. Debbie's going to have to get her own trunk club.
No, I'll just buy the remnants she doesn't buy. I don't have a Nordstrom's credit card, so I'd have to pay for it.
Oh, she could use mine. All right, now here's another pair of earrings that I'm keeping. So
these are $38.
You know what's great about my stylist, Cecelia, is I started a Nordstrom page, so I go on Nordstrom and I find things sometimes on sale. So she did send me some sale pieces, and she looks on my Nordstrom page on my Pinterest account, and I get lots of things from there. Look at these earrings. Aren't they just so pretty?
And I was surprised because Cindy's not a small earring kind of girl, and those are pretty small.
And they look like little diamonds, but I like them because I could put studs in one hole and put these in the other, or I can even put these on the top hole and it would cover my lower hole. And for $38, you know, that's less than what I pay for in Rocksbox. So I'm really happy.
And they're sterling silver as well.
Yeah, so I'm really, really happy with the 2 pieces of jewelry that she sent me. And I did have both of these on my Pinterest account. Now on to the clothes. Let's do what I'm probably not going to keep. I did get these pair of Sanctuary, and when I saw Sanctuary, I knew that they were going to be expensive. And they are these cropped pants. But they were just kind of big all over, and they are an 18W, which is what I've gone down into, but I don't know, maybe I have to go into a 16 because they were just big all over, and the bottom of the pants were just a little bit wider than I'm used to, which is okay.
And when you've got a big butt, which I have a butt,
Yeah.
I don't have a wide butt, but I have a butt that sticks out.
bubble butt.
I have a bubble butt where Cindy has got a wider butt. And when you have these flaps on your pocket, all that does is accentuate the largeness of your derriere.
So that's a good point, actually. I should really tell the stylist.
I like no
flat
flaps
pockets.
on the back pockets.
Yeah, so
And then if you wear a shirt that goes over it, you see those flaps get caught and they're sticking up, and no pocket flaps.
Yeah, so
Not on big girls.
and for these prices, what were the prices?
$99.
Yeah, these
Woo!
were $99
for a pair of crop pants.
Yeah, so that's
I'd wear
not-
these once, drop something on it, and ruin them and be pissed.
Yeah, so for that, the price is kind of high for crop pants, but I would prefer more of a summer color and no flaps on the pocket. So Cecelia, if you're watching, find me some more.
And maybe not in the $100 range.
Yeah, a little bit lower on the crop jeans, please. And then the other thing, I love this skirt, except it is just way too big. So I think I might size down. This is a 2X, and it's by Halogen, which is a good brand. It's just like this really, really, really stretchy knit. And it's a great pencil skirt. It's got the nice little slit in the back.
It retails for $59.
So it's not a bad price for this. Now that's the retail. I know if I go on my app, I know several of these are on sale. So
I didn't think that looked good on Cindy. I thought it fit her terribly.
yeah, it was too big all over. I love the
I also
color.
think though on shorter women, it's hard to find a pencil skirt that fits you and looks good on you.
Yeah.
Taller women, not so tough. I mean, I'm like 5'9", so a pencil skirt on me looks pretty good because I have the length in my legs to carry it off. Where the pencil skirt on Cindy hangs way too low.
Yeah, and it was just
She'd
way
have to
too
do
big.
a shorter pencil skirt, you know, like just above the knee. That would look good on her.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Like Torrid has a lot of those in their collection, a lot of above the knee pencil skirts. That's what she would look good in.
But I love this color. And you know, the one good thing about Trunk Club is if you get an item and you just need it hemmed or whatever, you get free alterations at Nordstrom. So you just bring in your Trunk Club like receipt that you purchased it and you get free alterations. So if I like the skirt and it was too long, like Debbie was saying, then I can just take it in and have it hemmed correctly. But then
that won't look good because in a pencil skirt it's made to come down, and if they're hemming it, it's going to come up higher than where it should have. You just need to buy a shorter skirt.
Why wasn't I blessed with long legs?
Because you got other things you were blessed with.
Okay, now here's another item. I had these
One way to look at it, right?
I had these pinned on my Nordstrom page. These are Lucky brand.
I love Lucky clothes.
I do too. And they're the cropped jeans with the raw hem. And I really like these a lot. I like them rolled up. I like them down.
They retail for $79.50.
Which is okay.
A little high for crop jeans.
Well, but you can roll this down and then it's a perfect ankle length for me, but they're just too big everywhere. It's like when you start walking, the crotch and the there's just too much.
Cindy, unfortunately, right now in her weight loss journey is in between
frustrating.
16 and 18. 18s are a little too big, 16s are a little too tight, and she's having a real problem. They don't make a 17, so
well, they do.
She's going to have a little bit of awkwardness, so I think she should kind of hold off on the clothes buying until she gets back into a solid
Well,
size.
maybe on bottoms, but I might just try and size down to
at
a
least at this
16
price
in
point.
these.
Because what's the point of buying something that's iffy for $80?
I agree. I do.
And then she loses 10 more pounds, and now it's going to Poshmark.
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
So I think pants, shorts, skirts, zip it until she gets into an.
I like them. I think I might, seriously, I might try and size down because I just love these jeans. I don't have any light jeans. All my jeans are dark. So to
Because
have
light
one
jeans
nice,
right now are not in style. So that's why.
But they are. They
No,
are.
they
Look.
aren't. Everyone's wearing dark jeans.
I disagree. Okay, now here are, oh, this is the other pair that I can't keep. These are Slink Jeans. It's this really pretty, like, orange sherbety kind of jeans. They do have some distressing on the hems. I wasn't sure if it was real or not. I had to ask
Well, they have
Debbie.
it on the back pockets and along anywhere there's like a double
hem, like,
a double, like, yeah, where they fold over. They did it on the pockets. They did it along the top of the pants. So
because
not enough distressing to know that it's distressed. They just look old.
I think that was the point. But
they don't look good though.
Yeah, so when she saw my video last month with the pink jeans, which I love,
and these
color,
retail for $88.
Yeah, so the pink jeans I love, but they were just a little too tight. So she thought she would size up, and she sent me the orange jeans. But I think they're too short, and it's I don't know how to describe it. They just feel too short. They're a little bit too big in the waist, and I just know if I spent this much money on these.
Again, we're in the pants thing.
Yeah.
Because she's in between sizes. Her legs look like sausage wrapped in casings in the legs. Too big in the waist. Too big in the crotch. So she's just got to stay away from pants until she gets to...
Or get a lower price point so that if I just wear them for the season, it would
Or
be
for the
all
couple
right.
months till you lose more weight.
Now, here are the Vigos jeans, and I saw these shorts, sorry. And they are the Marley mid-rise shorts. They have some distressing on it.
$55.
And I really
shorts.
like them.
Not me.
I
That
like
one
them.
I can go to Walmart and buy a pair for 18 bucks.
Yeah, but these have so much stretch in them. It feels like you're wearing, like, you know, those like biker shorts that they put on underneath, you know, that just kind of move and stretch. So let me know what you guys think. I know my legs probably aren't ready for these, but you know what? If people don't like them, they just don't have to look, right? If I feel okay in them, I don't know.
I don't agree. And she's lying, because if she were to wear these jeans and look down and didn't like the way her legs look, she would be uncomfortable everywhere she went. She does care what people think.
I'm trying to convince myself of that.
Sometimes I'll look at something someone's wearing like, what were they thinking? That does not fit their body type. I don't say it out loud, but in my head, that's what I'm thinking. And I know people are thinking that about me, so that's why I worry. I do think about what I'm wearing and how I look in it before I leave the house. I don't always hit the mark, but my husband used to say, we'd get in the car to go somewhere, and he would say, don't ever wear that again.
Yeah, so did
Once I'm in the car going to the event, and then I'm at the event thinking, oh my God, everybody thinks I look like a moron. I said, you could have said that before we left. And then he'd say, well, you would have took another half hour getting dressed. I'm like, oh.
I think all guys think like that. I used to get those comments too. Okay, so the pants are all too big. The shorts are kind of iffy. Now, here's the 3 tops that I really think I'm going to keep. And this first one is this gorgeous...
You gotta move a bit faster.
Oh, yeah. Gorgeous yellow top with the little bit of chiffon hem on it. Beautiful color. Perfect lightweight 3/4 sleeves with the little ties.
And you'll
on
see her
it.
in it modeling. I know she has to go through every shirt again.
What was the price?
It's a Dandelion. It's $54. That's a little pricey for me for a little shirt.
Well, this is by Sanctuary, so it is a really nice quality shirt.
I still wouldn't pay 54
So
bucks
I think
for it.
this is a keeper for me.
Cindy's got more money than I do.
I do. Now, here's a really unique top by BP. I had this one pinned because I like it. It's a sleeveless top. Isn't it pretty?
This is another $50 top. No can do. That's why I don't do Nordstrom racks.
This is, I can wear this top. It's really cute. It's got a little collar, little breast pockets. I like this because I can wear it as a little vest in the summer, or I can wear it as a sleeveless top. And it's just so versatile with the black and white. I'm going to have so much fun styling this top in the summer. Little corner pleats.
I'm glad she likes
Love
it.
it.
Wouldn't be in my closet.
Now here's the one that I wasn't going to get, but then Debbie actually said, oh no, it really looks good on you. This is by Caslon. And I'm not a big fan of the tie knots, but it's low enough and flat. It's a flat knot. It's not like a big bubble knot.
Yeah, it's down past her problem part.
Yeah.
It's hanging by the old hoo-ha. So she can wear that one well. And when she turned around and I saw how it fit her back, like the back view of it, it looked really nice. And Cindy has a really tough time with shirts looking good in the front and the back. And I said, if that's your problem issue, this is your shirt. And even though it's $59, this is a white classic shirt that she can wear through every season.
Right. And it's very, very lightweight. So it's the perfect white top for summer and spring.
But even in the spring and summer, she can wear this into the fall with fall sweaters, and in the winter with winter sweaters. So she can wear this, and because the tie is flat, she won't see that underneath her sweaters.
Yeah. So I'm really happy with my tops and my jewelry. The shorts, I don't know, but we'll have to see. I'm really
Weigh in, ladies.
anxious.
Tell her,
yes,
stay away
please.
from the pants until she gets into a solid size.
Oh, the pants? Yeah.
Pants and shorts, no more. Not till she gets
it's very frustrating.
in between sizes.
So, anyway, we just had to get this in because I have to get my trunk club back in the next couple days.
And we're hurrying, kind of. I'm sorry, because we have to get on the road. We have a 2.5 hour ride home, so... Anyway, ladies, thank you so much for visiting us at my lake house. We're going to do a few more videos from the lake house this year, but not from the kitchen area. We'll get in an area that you can actually see the beauty of our lake.
Yeah.
And we are going to be leaving in about a week or so, a little less than a week, actually 5 days, for our big trip to Ireland. And we are going to be doing some really fun videos from Ireland. We won't be posting them until we get back because we won't have the editing materials with us, but...
well, the first thing, one of the things we're doing is one of our subscribers called it a shamrock bow hunt in Ireland.
They want to see what some of the gorgeous men in Ireland actually look like. So we're going to do that in Ireland and Scotland.
And it's our Scottish hunk hunt.
And we're just going to walk up to them and ask them. We're from the United States. We have a YouTube channel. We have a bunch of subscribers that want to meet and talk to some of the men from Ireland and Scotland. Would you mind saying a few words to our viewers? And we'll see how many actually participate.
I don't know. It'll be fun. That'll probably be after our whiskey tour. So
it'll be after Cindy and I have a couple of cocktails for sure.
All right. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, we made you smile, give us a little thumbs up, hit the subscribe button.
Come along for the ride with us. It's really fun. We don't really know what we're doing. We just kind of wing it by the seat of our pants, but we have a blast making these. So if you had... this one was more of a serious one because we're in a hurry to get going, so we didn't want to add too much stuff. Sorry. I've got something a frog in my throat. So anyway, we'll talk to you later.
Early in the morning.
Hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you come along with us. We'll talk to you later.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.